Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything. In today's video, let's quickly show you on how you can change the infill pattern and density in your Orca Slicer. Before we get started, basically the infill is the internal structural pattern created inside your 3D printed parts located between the outer walls. First things first, let's go ahead and add our model onto our bed right here. I'm going to add a simple cube just to show you the infill density and the pattern. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to increase the scale of this specific shape or model. And from here, you then want to navigate through the side categories of Orca Slicer. Basically, we have our quality, strength, speed, support, and more. You just want to navigate through strength, scroll down, and then we have our infill density and the infill pattern. So let's go ahead and change our pattern into something like triangles right here. And let's change the density into something like 20%. From there, to apply your changes, you just want to click on the slice plate option, which is going to be this one, and then it will apply the density that we have changed and also the pattern. You can see that by lowering down your progress bar onto the side of our screen. And basically from there, you can see the triangular pattern and the 20% density on our infill. Now, if you want to do something like 0%, of course, you can also do that. Just select 0 right here. And again, you want to click on the slice plate option to apply the changes. And basically from there, there won't be any infill density, or there won't be any infill at all on our model right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.